pizza's a little moist because it's not frozen anymore. Shift it around a little bit over here. Do a few extra layers over here. And we're going to do some of our olives. More pepperoni. The good stuff over here. Make sure the ones I used are okay, but I'm pretty sure these ones are better. Put as much as or as little as you want. Yep. Yeah, that's good. A bit more cheese on here. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to pop this one in the oven real quick, and we'll get to work on our vodka sauce. All right, now we're going to heat up our pan first, and then we're going to prepare our onion and everything for our vodka sauce. We want to do that so our bottom of the pizza gets nice and crusty and crispy with that oil, and the sides where we put the cheese gets a chance to melt all at the same time instead of the pan starting off cold. Here, stay tuned. All right, it is sauce time. We're going to gather up our onion and we're going to make our vodka sauce. All right, we're going to saute our onions real quick. Then we're going to add our garlic. Then we're going to add our tomato paste. Then we're going to add our vodka. Okay, and we're gonna just let this cook a little bit. If it gets a little burned on the bottom, that's okay. We just don't want any blackness. But if it has a little bit of a residue, that's okay because our vodka is gonna get rid of that. All right, this has about the right color on there. Here, come check this out. All right, we're gonna aim for about a quarter of a cup, maybe about half a cup if you're feeling brave. That's about it. And we're gonna let this cook in there and reduce all that alcohol out of there. Add a little bit more. Yeah, see, a quarter to half. We'll cook this a little bit, then we'll go ahead and add our cream in there. All right, this doesn't smell like a booze anymore, so we're good to put our cream in there. Now we're gonna aim for about a cup. All right, now we're gonna turn the heat off. We're gonna go in there with a little salt and pepper. Got maybe half a teaspoon, and then you can do about a teaspoon of pepper as well. All right, check that out, you guys. It's so good. All right, now let's make that Detroit style pizza. All right, we're gonna put the cheese along the sides. Then we're gonna put our pizza on top, and then we'll stuff it with some more cheese. All right, let's see how we can do this. Just kind of position it right over the top here, and then flop it on down here. Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, now we're gonna put a little bit more cheese. Oh no, a little bit of cheese, and then we'll do our sauce, and then we'll load it up more pepperoni. There we go, and that sauce will bake right in. Right there with that cheese. Everything will marry together real nicely. Yeah, that's a good amount. Around a little bit. Oops, didn't stay. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Some vodka sauce right on top. That's probably good like that. We got some more pepperoni right there. Space them out a little bit. A little bit of olive. That's probably good. Oh, we got more cheese. Yeah. More cheese. There we go. Oh, got a little left there. Stick it in that oven. All right, the kids are hungry. We got to cut this one up and serve it. What do you guys think about that? No flop. This looks so fantastic, you guys. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit, and hopefully it'll keep the form, the nice square shape, kind of looking like a deep dish. So stay tuned. We're gonna be back in maybe 20 minutes or so. Let it cool down. I mean, it's a thick one, so we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. Be right back. All right, we got our pizza cooling down right here. We got our little contraption. It's nice and cool to the touch. Let me get this out of here. All right, let's see if we can just grab this puppy. Oh. Ooh, okay. Not too bad. Oh yeah. Maintaining the shape pretty well. It's a little moist on the bottom. It's okay. All right, let's give it a cut. I guess I want to cut it like this way. Maybe we'll keep it square, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, look at that sauce. Beautiful sauce. That is beautiful right there, my friends. This looks almost intimidating here. Let's see. Ooh, that's amazing. A little hot, but super good. You honestly wouldn't even know this was a frozen pizza. You would think, ooh, it's hot. Ooh. But this is super, super good. Hold on. Let me cool my hand down real quick. I'll be right back. All right, got my hand cooled off. Got the cheese situated. You see the cheese right here from these valleys right here. The cheese kind of filled in the gap. Check that beauty out. Nice cheese crust. Oh, you know we gotta try that piece. Super good. Super easy. Definitely give this one a try, you guys. If you have pizza laying around, thaw it out, make you a little sauce, add a little toppings. And even the other one, if you don't even want to make the sauce, just add a few extra toppings on there. It makes a world of difference. Here, make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching. God bless and enjoy.